Hi guys, welcome back to class. Today I'm going to take you through a 10-minute yoga warm-up to start your day. These are all stretches and movements that I would do to start my day. Let's get started on the mat. So first, come to a seated position into hero's pose, sitting on your feet. If it's uncomfortable for your knees, place something on your butt to elevate your hips. And we always want to start practice in stillness and working into our body mindfully with our breath. Place your hands on your thighs, close your eyes, sit up tall without being rigid, and move your attention to your breath. Breathe slow and steady through your nose. Take more full breaths, filling your lungs all the way up through your nose, down into your lungs. Pausing, releasing your breath out of your lungs through your nose, slow and steady, and then gently opening your eyes. Let's come onto the hands and knees, and just doing a few cat-cows together. Lift your butt cheeks to start. Lift your chest and chin. Take a deep breath in, inhaling. And as you exhale, round your back out. Push into the floor with your hands. Inhale, arching your lower back, lifting your rib cage and chest. Exhaling, rounding your back, drawing your hip flexors forward. One more time, inhale, arching your back. Just working out through the joints and the muscles of around the spine. And then bring your knees together. Send your left leg long, toes straight down, and reach your right arm forward and just holding here for some balance. And now as you inhale, tap your toes to the floor and fingertips to the floor. Exhale, slowly lift back up. Inhale, slowly tap down. And exhale, lift back up. Last time, inhale down. And exhale, lift back up. Release down. Take your knees wide, send your hips back to child's pose. Extend long through your arms. And then rolling forward, bending your elbows, inhaling, letting the hips sink, lifting through your chest, just really light and gentle. Exhale, draw your hips back in child's pose. 2 more times, inhaling, coming forward, being super gentle. Exhaling, pressing back into child's pose. Last time, inhaling forward, and exhaling, pressing back to child's pose. Come back to your hands and knees. This time we'll send the right leg straight back, toes pointing down, left arm forward. Holding here, grabbing the floor with your hand to help you balance, and pushing down through your left knee to help you balance. Inhaling, tapping the toes down, the fingertips down, keeping both straight. Exhaling, lifting back up. Inhaling, tapping down. Exhaling, lifting back up. Inhaling down. And exhaling up. Release. Now curl your toes and lift your knees and just hover here, turning on the stomach muscles. Engage your core. Root into your knuckles. And slowly start to send your hips back. Let your head release down between your arms. And from here, push your hips back as far as you can. And then from your thighs, start to firm your quads to let the heels start to extend back towards the mat. Just a few breaths here. Bring your feet together. Slowly lift your left leg up. Keep the leg nice and long. These one-legged downward dog holds are super good because they really warm up the upper body. You have to hold yourself here. And the legs definitely have to work to keep this back leg up. Now lean forward, pull your knee up to your chest, and then round your back and bring your knee to your nose. Step your foot forward, lower the back knee down, and upright yourself. Reach your right arm up, And reach through your fingertips, past your fingertips. Push down through your right shin. And just a really gentle twist here. Extend the right arm forward and the left arm back. Sit up tall through your spine. Spread across your chest. Lengthen out through your right arm. Set the hand down to the floor. Curl your back toes. Lift your knee from the floor. Keep hugging your left inner thigh in towards your body. Turn your chest and look up. Take your left hand down. Step your back foot in halfway. And fold forward pyramid over your leg here. If this is super hard for you, let your knees bend a little bit and slowly start to work your legs straight. Plant your hands. Step back to plank pose. Feet together. Downward dog with the feet together. Extend the right leg up. Lean forward, bring your knee to your chest. Round your back, bring your knee to your nose. Step your foot way up between your hands. Lower your back knee down. Bring your hands onto your hips and extend your left arm up. Reach past your fingers. Lift up as high as you can. And then a gentle twist. Reach your left arm forward and your right arm back. Use the arms to help express the length that you're expanding in your chest, and use your legs to sit up tall through your spine. Bring your left hand down and slowly lift your back knee. The right hip's going to want to pivot out to the side, so pin the hip in and drop it underneath you as you extend and reach up through your top arm. Lower your right hand down, step your back foot in, and fold forward over your right leg here. Keep the weight evenly distributed in your front foot, and you want to feel the stretch from the belly of your hamstring, not the bottom, not the top, but the center. Step to the front of the mat. Let your knees bend super deep. Let your head hang, and interlock your fingers behind your back. Stretch your knuckles up. And from here, start to lift your butt cheeks to straighten the legs. Maybe draw the chin into the chest. Release the arms down by your side. Lift your chest. Bring your hands to your hips. And press all the way up to standing. Step your feet together. And we'll finish with a sun salutation. As you inhale, reach your arms forward and up. Exhale, fold forward and down. Inhale, lengthen out through your spine. Plant your hands, step back to plank. Bring your knees down, untuck your toes. Slowly bend your elbows halfway down. And then lift your knees, pull your chest forward and up, arch through upward dog. Lift your hips up and back to downward dog. Set your knees down, come onto your butt, bring your hands behind you, and take your feet out in front of you just like so. And we're simply going to windshield wiper the knees from right to left and warm up the hips, loosen up the spine. And now we'll go all the way to one side, turn your chest, all the way to the other side, turn your chest, turn your chest. Last one, turn your chest. We'll stay here, swing the legs forward, keep your legs straight, lift up through your arms. Sit up nice and tall. And fold forward through your toes. Gently release. And we'll finish in seated position here. Just for a few moments to experience the way that you feel in your body. Maybe you feel just more warmed up, and that's genuinely what we're going for our mind to feel more in our body and to be less connected to the stimulations of the world and more centered within ourselves. Close your eyes, sit up tall. Let your shoulders soften down, relax your hands. Soften the tongue. Relax the muscles around the eyes, your cheeks. Bring your palms together. Sit up tall. Gently open your eyes. Thank you guys. I hope that you feel fantastic in your body and you enjoyed this practice. Make sure that you like the video and subscribe and hit the notification bell so for every yoga class that I share that you can join in for the next one. Thank you.